everyone. Today I wanted to share a very important tip with all of you. So we are all the proud owners of a supercomputer that is actually more powerful than any machine on planet Earth. I'm talking about the magnificent human brain. So the human brain contains 100 billion neurons with roughly 1 quadrillion connections. And it is our brain that allows us to function in our daily lives, whether it's when we're studying, when we're working, interacting with people, or even using our senses. Also, our brain is the very reason behind the world's most astonishing creations and innovations. That includes the rockets that can travel to outer space and the submarines that can explore the greatest depths of the ocean, and even the smartphone that's a supercomputer at the tip of our hands. These and many more are all products of our human brain. We should in fact be praising and encouraging our brain every moment of the day for all the things that it allows us to do. Yet so few of us ever appreciate our brain for its amazing power. Instead, we complain and we criticize our brain for simply not remembering someone's name, for not remembering our study materials, or for not remembering that important business meeting. So part of the reason we forget simple things, like where we put our keys, or that task on our to-do list, is because we don't even believe that our brain is capable of remembering that. If we simply make this small change in the way we treat our brain is sure to respond in astonishing ways. For starters, tell yourself the following positive affirmations every day and wire these words into your brain through repetition. I have an amazing brain. My brain is designed for astounding speed. My brain remembers effectively. My brain helps me achieve everything I desire. So these positive words will nurture your brain and allow it to flourish into the powerful instrument that it is. Start implementing this today and do share with me the impact that it has. I will also be sharing in the upcoming videos the importance of positive and coherent words and thoughts. That's all for today. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, be happy and be joyful.